If you're seeing the Bosch dishwasher e07 error on your display, it's a sign of a specific mechanical issue that shouldn't be ignored. This error code typically points to a blocked or malfunctioning drying fan, which affects the dishwasher's ability to properly dry your dishes. The Bosch dishwasher E07 error most often appears due to debris or grease buildup obstructing the fan, or in some cases, a faulty fan motor. In newer models, it may also relate to ventilation system failure. The good news is, in many cases, it can be resolved without a technician. Start by turning off the dishwasher and disconnecting it from the power supply. Remove the dishwasher's side panels to access the fan assembly, typically located on the side or at the back near the top. Check for visible blockages, accumulated grease, dust, or even small pieces of packaging can prevent the fan from turning. If cleaning the fan and vent system doesn't help, the fan motor itself may need replacing. However, if you're not comfortable dismantling appliance panels or handling internal parts, it's best to call a certified Bosch technician. Continued use with the Bosch dishwasher E07 fault active may lead to additional damage, including overheating or moisture buildup. Repairing this issue through authorized service generally costs between $120 and $250, depending on your location and model. Fan motor replacement is often the most expensive part. To sum up, the Bosch dishwasher E07 code signals a ventilation or fan problem. You can try cleaning or inspecting the fan yourself, but for full repairs or parts replacement, professional help is often required to ensure safe and lasting results.